In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an Instagram link in bio landing page with Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to add the new page. Once your site is open in the dashboard, click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Inside the editor, open the Pages and Menu panel. This is where you manage the pages on your website. Click Add Page to create a new page for your Instagram link in bio. You can choose Blank Page if you want to build it from scratch, or you can open the Landing Page section and select a landing page template if you want a faster starting point. After that, enter a name for the new page. Next, begin building the content of the page. Click Add Elements and place an image or logo at the top. This helps establish your branding right away. Then add a text element for your name or your brand name. Under that, add another text element for a short introduction or bio. Keep this section simple and easy to read so visitors can quickly understand who you are and what they can find through your links. Now click Add Elements again and insert one or more button elements. These buttons will act as the main links on your page. Edit each button so it matches the destination you want to share, such as Shop, YouTube, TikTok, Contact, or another website. After naming the buttons, select each one and click the link icon. This allows you to connect the button to a page on your site, an external website, an email address, a phone number, or a social media profile. Once your buttons are linked, arrange all of the elements on the page in a clean and organized layout. Make sure the design looks good and feels easy to use, especially on mobile devices, since most Instagram visitors will open your link from their phone. Keep spacing consistent and avoid clutter. When the layout is ready, click Preview and test every button one by one. Confirm that each link opens the correct destination and that the page looks polished. If everything works properly, click Publish to make the page live. Finally, copy the published page URL and paste it into your Instagram bio so your audience can access all of your important links from one place. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.